Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today flagged off the DFS Crime Scene Vehicles for all 12 districts of the state to be used by the forensic unit of the Meghalaya Police. He also inaugurated the office of the Anti-Terror Squad ATS. Later, the Chief Minister, accompanied by Home Minister Prestun Tinsong, chaired the annual review meeting with superintendents of police and commandants at the police headquarters. During the program, two new initiatives, MEGPOL, an advanced research tool, and PIMS, the Personal Information Management System, were formally launched to enhance police efficiency. The Chief Minister and the Home Minister also felicitated police personnel for their success in solving the Sora honeymoon murder case and commended officials for resolving other cases in a short time.
UBSI Nivarsan Athmara.
Without external intervention. The case stands as a benchmark in Meghalaya Police record of swift justice delivery.
Yes, it led on.